Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to another province house rebuild update. Today is the time that we have to clean my bedroom because in the next few days we are going to slowly move in here. So as you know, painting is done, though the last time I checked the lock is not really installed yet, but my uncle was working on the lock to be installed in the door today, so I think he will be able to finish that of course today as well. So that's good. I'm gonna take you guys inside and see how's the look of the bedroom right now. So yeah, it's gonna be a hectic day. Time check right now, it's currently 1 p.m. Tom just drove me in here. I couldn't drive here because they are currently working on the road going here, which is such a big blessing because the road going here in my house is pretty bad and I totally hate it. Ruby has been complaining about the road. He's been smashed and that because it's really bad. So I'm happy they're working on it, and yeah, we will have a smooth ride going home every time. So yeah, today the main agenda is to basically put some bed on the bedroom. The air condition has been installed already, so that's good. We have the window, we have the lock of the door as well. It has been varnished. What else? We do have a few problems on the tiles, which I'm gonna show you later on. And yeah, come on, let's go ahead and get inside. But before that, I hope you guys could subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you do want, if you want to see latest updates and my whereabouts. So come on, let's go. Alright, so now we are here in my main bedroom, and as you guys can see, we already now have the door locked. So we have actually two locks. First is this one where it has the key to put in here so that it will be open. Second is the second lock, which is actually pretty good. So as you guys can see, it's pretty long, and yeah, we have some lock. Two security for my main bedroom. And right now, as you guys can see, I have removed everything here in my bedroom. I know it looks very white, and you guys know I want it like that. But anyway, if we are going to look down here in this section, these are the problem that I was having. I'm not sure. I think this is because of the welding machine that they did for the roof. It's actually just fine for me. That's because this area over here is going to be where the bed is. So you cannot really see that because that's going to be underneath the bed. And what else? I think we do have a few splashes of the welding in this area as well. If you guys can see the little dots, you can see that, but I can't really do anything about it. I mean, it's pretty minimal. I will just call it a battle scar. So my bedroom has a battle scar. It's not just, you know, a human that will have battle scar, but also a house, my province house. This is a living proof that this house has been through a lot, like the Typhoon Odette. But yeah, anyway, so this is the current update here in my bedroom. It has been fully done. So right now we are going to put some bed. So I don't really have a bed yet. I mean, I can still make use of the bed that I have from before, but then again, the bed frame from my queen size bed has been wrecked. So I need to get a new one for it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to make use of the bed frame of the second bedroom from before, and the foam as well, because obviously I cannot use my queen size bed for a double size bed, right? So yeah, come on, I'll take you guys with us. We can do this. This is the final step before we can, you know, move into the house. So let's go. Right guys, so this is the current situation right now. We have the bed frame. It will actually fit. I know a lot of you guys will say that it will not fit. It will fit. There is a way, and that's how it is. Ta-da! So this is my bed frame. Dito, anak. Ayaw, diri ka dong, anak. This is the double. Siya. Dira. Okay, now where's the foam? Now we have the foam double size bed. Ta-da! We finally have a bed here. Hi. That's good. And then I'm gonna put my side table over there and the lamp is there, so it looks nice. We still have a lot of space. I'm gonna put the carpet here so that it will look okay for now. This is a temporary bed that we have to use because I still don't have bed frame for the queen size bed that I have, so we will use this for now. So as you guys can see, this is the current situation now here in my bedroom. So we have the double bed over here. Anyway, I do have here little Scarlett. Say hi. Welcome vlog ka dyan. I have here my couch. This is my two-seater couch. If you guys can remember, I was able to purchase this together with my cabinet a few days before Typhoon Odette hit Cebu. Good thing that we were able to save this couch because I totally love this one. So I decided to put it here for now. And then here I have this cabinet as well. A few days before Typhoon Odette happened, I also purchased this one. So it's still good because it's made of plastic. So it's fine. I do have here my lamp, which is fairly new. I hope this will still work because I totally love this lamp because of the wooden effect on the handle. Now, this is my side table. As you guys can see, it's still up and kicking. It's running, though there are some blue marks over here. I'm not sure if we can still remove those, but I think it will be fine. I can put like a rug over it, then it should not be seen. So right now, I am going to put this. This is actually pretty heavy. It is actually very noisy here in the house right now. I think I do have, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have like 6 people working in the house right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a plug here so that we can plug the lamp for the night. So I'm gonna put it right here. I think it perfectly fits in beside, you know, the bed. So that looks nice. And then I also got my rug. When Typhoon Odette happened, I had to make sure that my rug won't get wet because I love them so much. So I'm gonna try to put it here. It's actually this one. So this is the carpet or rug that I have. Got this from Mandawi Foam together with Lynn and Vingle. So we are going to try to put this rug over here. So ta-da, like that. Okay, let's see, how should we put this together? So maybe we are going to move this a bit so that it will be like that. Okay, I think that's fine. What do you guys think? If you guys have any suggestions on how I could somehow, you know, arrange everything here in my bedroom, let me know. Scarlett is helping me. Wow, thank you. We have here another carpet, another rug. This one is one of my favorite as well. This is pretty expensive. When I got this in SMC side, bro was helping me to get this one and it was on sale, so I had to get it. It looks pretty nice, and I'm gonna put this here in front of my couch. So it's gonna go like that. Let's see, how do we arrange this? Like that. Okay, so that's how my rug is. There's like a rug everywhere here in my bedroom, but my auntie is actually helping me as well. He's currently working on my study table. So I'm gonna put the study table here because we do have a plug here so that whenever I edit a video, then I could, you know, plug my laptop and so on. So this is the current update. Wait, I'm gonna put on the lamp. So this little lamp over here, I'm still gonna clean this one, but this is how it looks. How pretty that is. So we're gonna put that over here and it should be good, right? Okay, so this is how the current situation is. As long as we have the bed, then it's totally fine for me. The bed is very important because that's where we can rest and so on. So I'm not sure what should I put in this area. I was thinking of actually putting the couch here, but I think it's not gonna fit right? This little girl is so happy. We have rugs everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put the study table there. Alright guys, so time check, it is 4 p.m. right now and we have 1 hour left before their work will be finished for today. But anyway, we are here in front of the house because I want to talk to you guys about the window, the sliding window that I do have. So a lot of you are asking if I'm gonna put grills. Yes, I am gonna put grills here on the outside and it's going to be color black, and that's because for extra security we definitely need to do that. And at the same time, there could be some tree that will fall into the house. I know there's really no tree close here in the window, but we never know what could happen, like if there is a strong wind and whatnot. At least the window here will not get smashed. A lot of you have suggested as well if I am going to put screen window. Yes, it's pretty bad that, you know, the owner of the sliding window did not suggest it to me. It would have been better if he suggested it, because I asked him if they also install a screen window and he said yes they do, and it's gonna be a bit costly. He said for the size of my window it's gonna cost me 2,900 pesos for each window, so that's gonna be a lot. At the same time, he said they will have to remove the current window that I have so that they can install the frame for the screen window. So that's gonna be a lot of work, and it's not really my priority at the moment, so we'll just park that plan for now. But yes, I would love to have a screen window here for my sliding window because I would love to open it and hopefully no insects or especially mosquito that would come in the house, especially in my bedroom, because I'm surrounded with trees and, you know, there's always a season where there's going to be a lot of mosquitoes here in the countryside. But yeah, anyway, again, I'm going to put a grill and I am going to put the screen window as well. Right now, I'm gonna take you guys here at the back of the house, and as you guys can see over here, they've already started the rendering or plastering of this wall. So that's how it looks for now, and the upper side of it is not being finished yet, and that's because they will need to have a ladder so that they could obviously, you know, reach it. But yeah, this side it's already finished. Here in my bedroom it's finished as well, and on this side going to my bathroom area. And I just want to share with you guys something as well. If you guys can take a look above, you guys can see my water tank, and right now my water tank has water in it. So if you guys will take a look over here, we have connected the blue, I don't know what you guys call that, a hose or PVC from the water tank going here in my bathroom area. So this is going to be for the shower and for the sink that I do have, and for the flush in the toilet bowl as well. I actually changed my toilet bowl. Before it was just a manual toilet bowl where it doesn't have the flush and the tank, but right now I decided to get the tank. I decided to get the tank with it as well so that it will be easier to flush it. Okay, so Scarlett wants to say hi to you guys. Say hi.
Hi, look at that.
That's always her line. Anyway, so that's pretty much it, guys, for my little update here in my bedroom. So finally we have the bed, got this couch over here, so that's good. I have my study table so I can work here as well. And what else? We have water, we have electricity. The kitchen is already functional. I'll just have to get some gas for my gas range so that I could already cook here. What else? I think that the only thing that's lacking here in the house is basically the painting. So I think in the next 2 days they should be able to finish the painting in the living room, and then they're gonna proceed on the outside. So everything's going well. I think we are almost at the end of the province house rebuild, and I cannot wait to share with you guys the province house tour. And yeah, for now, I'm very excited to move in here and share with you guys our new life here, day-to-day life here in the countryside. Anyway, so that's it. I'm so happy that my room now looks like a room. It's not just a blank space, so I'm very happy about it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope that you guys are excited as me, as us, for me to move in here. I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!